Okay, it's an eggplant. Today is a mini harvest day. Drew's going to tell me what kind of eggplant. Wait, first before you do that, find out what kind of eggplant it is. Okay, show the people.
Ichiban.
Ichiban type. Hold it up. Gosh. Ichiban type Japanese eggplant. There you go.
I don't think it looks ready though.
It doesn't look ready, but it is. You know how I know it's ready? Because this part right here is white. You see that? Hold it up. See how that's white? Now, these eggplants will get darker if exposed to the light more, but this one's been shaded, so it's not been very exposed to light. And it's a container eggplant, so I know that it's supposed to be smaller. Where are you going? I thought you were going to cut it down.
What?
I know
didn't see that one.
this eggplant's going to be smaller than most other ones, so it's ready. I'm pretty sure it's ready. That's how you know. Hold it up.
The eggplants we ate the other night was delicious.
This eggplant is showing this white area up here. If it's not ready, we're going to eat it anyway. These are what? What are you cutting down now?
These are hot yellow peppers that I got at the farmer's market.
Hot banana peppers.
This is our second round of these.
These are purple whole
They smell hot.
beans. Next year I probably won't do purple whole beans because the amount of beans you have to create to get a production, to actually get something to eat it's just, I don't have enough room. I wouldn't have enough room. We did have a little sunflower start to open today. Here's a little sunflower right here. These are supposed to be mammoth sunflowers. They don't look very mammoth to me, but we'll give them time to see. What we're really doing is just harvesting tomatoes. This tomato split. Tomatoes split because of uneven watering patterns or too much water. Now, in the case of this tomato, I left it on the vine to see how dark it would get, but this is as dark as it gets. It repays me by splitting.
Am I cutting them?
Because, no, these come off real easy. What you're cutting is those over there. Because, but hold on, I'm coming over there. Because I've never grown this variety before. These are black cherry tomatoes. Okay, this tomato